Okay, explain it to me again. What exactly is boog time?
Ugh, if I don't get a break, I'm gonna get burnout. I need a little R&R away from all this.
Boog, they're out of the oatmeal again.
Now, I'll be gone for a few days, and someone responsible has to watch the camp till I get back. And since there's no one like that around, you're gonna have to step up to the plate. But don't sweat it, E. I've got a secret trick that'll make covering for me way easier.
Ooh. I don't get it.
It's a calendar. It tells me what's gonna happen, see? Fish spawning, butterfly migration, solar eclipse, it's all here. Oh, and public holidays too. Whether humans are likely to be out in force.
It's so wise.
Nope, that's just useful information that I sometimes reinterpret to keep the campus safe. Oh, not now, not at high tide. Sand fleas! Ah, so many sand fleas! In every nook and cranny! Everyone back to camp!
That was cool. Wait a sec. Do you have any other secret tricks? Like for managing me?
What? Of course not. Nothing crazy.
You know I hate it when you call me crazy!
Use this if you need it, but remember, keep it a secret.
Thanks, Boog. You can count on me. Well, Calendar, it's just you and me. No, a meteor shower is a-coming! Must protect the campers, must protect the campers! Everybody, indoors, quick!
And why would we do that, you wee dafty? Ha! Calm down and take a seat for crying out loud.
The bonfire smoke makes you sick? The burning wood is bad for the environment. Nighttime is scary?
Quit being such a baby, Elliot.
Must protect the campers. Must protect the campers. Okay, fine. There's another reason we all have to go inside. For the sky shall rain fire!
Hey, I never thought I'd say this, but Elliot's right.
Why are you sitting here? The sky will burn you to a crisp. Oh, now that's pretty. Hey, anyone got any weenies to roast?
So, tell us, laddie, how'd you know that this was going to happen?
Well, you see, I can. I mean, I have, not really, but then, but then also no, and still,
I know how Elliot knows. It's so obvious when you think about it. He can speak to the cosmos, and it's probably why he acts so weird all the time. The cosmos.
Cosmos? Seriously?
No, wait, actually, that's not
Oh, Oracle of the Cosmos, show us what the cosmos wants, and we shall humbly obey for the cosmos.
Will you stop saying cosmos?
The cosmos.
My. I must swing by Camp Wild for a little nibble while they're watchdogs on vacay.
The cosmos says sweet dreams! And make sure to go number 1 before tuck-in. I'm talking to you, Weenie. Tune in tomorrow for more of the Oracle's Cosmic Predictions. Go! Ow!
Nice work, Elliot. You just went and broke everyone's minds.
Or did I? Ooh.
Elliot! We honor the oracle of the cosmos with fire!
Guys, you didn't need to do this.
You're welcome.
Cool. What's it for?
It was to stop me from licking my... never mind. It looks good on you. You are the one and only oracle of the cosmos. We believe in you. But if you could tell the cosmos we said that, that would be great.
Thanks, guys. The cosmos thanks you now. I must go and confer with them for more prophecy and wisdom. Boog was right. This works better than great.
So, hey, any news from the cosmos? I mean, I don't expect it to rain bananas, but, it'd be cool. Maybe you could put in a word.
Now, what exactly is this cosmos you're all yammering on about? And more importantly, can I use it to season the meat?
Him you can bring, but no banana rain? Thanks a lot, Cosmos.
Time to invoke the powers of the cosmos, oh great oracle!
Aye, a nice thunderbolt to the buttock should do the trick, shouldn't you think?
Wild? You better leave. Now.
Oh, dear. What will you and your scrumptious acquaintances do if I don't?
You want the cosmos? You got the cosmos. Just wait a sec. Wait! Please, no!
This is how you predicted all this stuff? I knew it! Elliot's a fraud.
Wait.
What?
As soon as I saw Boog alone in the woods, ding, ding, I knew my order was up.
Well, I hope he likes pea soup.
Wow!
This is all your fault, Elliot. I feel so stupid that you duped us with all that mumbo-jumbo.
I'm sorry, guys, about lying, about getting you into this mess. But I was just following Boog's calendar trick, I swear. I was supposed to use it to protect you, but look how that all turned out. Wait. That was supposed to be a secret. Forget everything I just said.
What? Boog was in on it too?
But we trusted you, great Noah of the just plain Elliot! And you betrayed us!
I know, but the calendar wasn't meant to hurt you. The calendar... Wait! The calendar! No way!
Cut it out, Elliot! You're only gonna make him angrier!
Wild, the cosmos has spoken. And you're in big trouble. Unless you leave right now.
Oh, no. Really? And if I stay?
The skies will darken and the sun will disappear forever! Okay then, Cosmos. Go with sun disappearing plan Alpha. I said, let's do this, Cosmos.
Something is happening! Oh, why did we turn on Elliot? Why?
Cosmos!
Cosmos?
No! How is this even possible? What foul, dark magic is this? Make it stop! Make it stop!
Leave now, never to return, and I shall lift the curse. Stay, and I shall summon Thunderbolt upon thy booty. Aw, looks like someone needs a binky.
Thanks, Elliot. But don't think we'll forget about this.
Hey, was that Wild the wolf I just saw?
I believe this is yours.
Hey, welcome back. Hope Book Time was restful. I'll be in my cabin.
The cosmos